This is when you need a back brake more than a front.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah, sorry. I want to look at my tent.
Oh. Thanks. Oh, it's lovely here as well.
It's a lovely little village, this.
Yeah. Blue John Gems, some more of them.
Yeah, it's full of them because it's a special thing around here.
Were we supposed to go up there?
I think so, yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
No, two ultimates.
Blimey. This is when you need a back brake more than a front.
Yeah,
Ideally. I'm honestly alright pottering like this. Yeah. Oh, there's water down there.
Waterfall,
Oh, I love waterfalls, you know. I was not paying attention, he just had to swerve around me. Idiot. Okay. Yeah, or just a big bump.
Right, Ben, yeah.
Alright. was on the wrong side of the road then when that man came round.
But there's no coming from the ticket round.
It's alright, but I went a bit fast actually. These are nice roads.
It's alright up here, I like it up here, mate.
Yeah. Don't want to be too close to him really, because if he goes extra slow, it's going to knacker us up, isn't it?
I'll see them with it.
Because I know it, like cars obviously brake a lot more. What gear should I be in for it?
I'm just doing 50 for you, slow down to 50, it's alright. It's not that bad, it's just... It's quite bad.
Jesus.
It's not bad. There's no coming around to get round.
Way,
Yeah?
I did it! Whoa! That was good. And it was water. Oh.
That was bad.
What, this one?
Yeah, it's not as bad as that one, that one was. I can't remember. That's how it is. Okay.
Yeah. Whoa.
The bike's coming out.
Thanks. Ah, they're cool. Jesus, that granny was in like the proper ditch at the side, trying to get past, bless her. Let me know if there's a car.
I will do.
Thanks. Did we come up here before?
I think, can you remember it?
Yeah, I saw, recognise it.
It's what it is, we come down here, don't we?
Yeah, I think we need to go right up here somewhere, do we? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're deciding which way to go. Oh, they've come out way. Oh no, they've gone the other way.
Can't touch.
still got Christmas decorations up on your left. I've no bloody clue where we are.
Of course you do. Good Barnsley.
Barnsley.
Just get you with the jigsaw.
The what?
Have to get you the bike back out.
I know. I've been out on it this week. I've done a few rides this past 2 weeks.
What have you done? You know this?
Just around Lincolnshire. Because the Gixxer and the Beamer are down there. Yeah, I've never been here. I'm just behind this highway maintenance. Pull in with you. Yeah, in. Yeah, see ya.
See ya.
Yeah.
I'm stuck on fence, this guy. You see the left?
Oh my god. Right, are we in left or right lane?
We'll do right at end, I'll just go through traffic.
Alright. Might knock this van as I go around, but... Thank you. Alright, I'm here. Next to you.
We're both going that way, straight over here. To be fair.
Is that
We're right lane anyway.
Oh, is it 2 lanes into that bit?
Yeah. Because in that way took us up. It brings us out of that garage up roundabout, cattle roundabout, we just straight on, you know what I mean?
No. But okay.
Under bridge.
Yeah. Does that mean we're racing this red car?
No. We're right lane.
I'll race him.
Oh, that's it then, if you want to race him, we'll race him.
Hi everyone, so just a quick list of the places that we visited, a screenshot of the map as well. The app that we used is the Curvinger app, and I believe it's £30 a year. The route was set to extra curvy, and that's the rough sort of route that we took. If you want to recreate it in the Curvinger app, just set everything to extra curvy, avoid motorways, avoid A roads where possible. And if you want to do it in like Google or Apple Maps, I think you'll have to be focusing a little bit more on the intricacies of the villages that you go through, just to sort of add extra waypoints. But that's the rough outline. I'm sorry I can't be of more help, but as I didn't plan the route myself and I have no sense of direction, it was a little bit hard for me to sort of get it all together. But there you go. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe.